In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I humanize ChatGPT essays to ensure the results feel natural, authentic, and completely original. I'm starting right here on the homepage, and to begin, I'll open my notes and copy my specific essay writing guidelines, focusing on a conversational tone and explicitly avoiding those typical, repetitive AI-sounding words. I'll paste these rules into the chat and hit send to set the expectations for the session. Once the AI confirms it understands the new style, I'll go back to my document to grab a rewrite prompt along with a more formal academic essay I've already drafted. I'll paste that into the chat to let the AI rework the content into a more human style that prioritizes flow and personality. To take it a step further and add that extra layer of authenticity, I'll copy a few more follow-up instructions about adding personal observations and using simpler, more direct vocabulary. I'll send those through to further refine and polish the text until it sounds just like me. Now, to make these changes permanent so I don't have to repeat this process for every new project, I'll copy my final set of humanizing rules and head down to the bottom left corner. I'll click on my profile icon, select Settings, and then navigate to the Personalization tab to open the Custom Instructions menu. I'll paste my rules directly into the box for how I want the AI to respond and hit Save. Now, every essay ChatGPT writes for me will automatically feel much more human and engaging without any extra effort on my part. If you found this walkthrough helpful for making your AI writing more authentic, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.